Hello gems, my name is T. Welcome back to Gem City Budgets. And today's video is my financial abundance binder day, where I have $160 in prop money and then 12 saving challenges I am saving for my sinking funds. So let's get started. I am going to start off with rolling a D12, and I'm going to number three. Number three is stuff and budgets. And let's go ahead and scratch this one. Wow, right off the dribble, $10. We're going to go ahead and just put that 10 right on in here. We got a 3 again. All right. And that is 7. We just going to hit all the big numbers. So 7. So 5, 6, and 7. How are you guys doing? I am doing wonderful. Trying to just maneuver with all this rain in Ohio. Just crazy. What is this one? This one is Mischief Managed Budgets. All right. We did like lose power for a couple hours. Nothing serious, thank goodness. So let's go ahead and scratch this one. Ooh, that's a 12. This is the boba tea. So 10, 11, and 12. I have been, since we've been having these rainy days, I have been working on some, again, we're just going to keep doing this, right? I have been working on some binder, excuse me, binder charms or dangles. So I should have, no way. I should have those up and posted on Etsy. And if I don't, just go and favorite the shop, and it will notify you guys when I drop those new releases. 21. The problem is getting pictures taken. It's just been so gloomy that I wasn't able to get like great photos. 7. But the sun is out today, so I'm going to finish this video and then go take some pictures. Okay, humble budgeter. Let's roll this D12, and we are going to 7. And this is our friends living their best life. Let's do this one. $1. We're gonna go ahead and do the other one. And that is 9, so $10. We should be close to finishing this, I think, or maybe not. $10. I need to put in an Etsy order or buy some saving challenges for the winter. I'm ready to transition into the nice fall and winter colors. I think it's time. Oops. And we got 4. What's 4? I feel like we just said 4. Oh, Lord. Here we go. Mischief Managed Budgets again. Let's see. Well, how many more we got on here? We only got 4 left. Girl, shut your mouth. And it's probably all the high numbers that's left. Let's see. Let's do it while we got the money. Look, I told you. Look at that. 22. All right, 22. So then 5, 10, 15, 20. And then 1, 2. We get this again. We're going to have to skip it because, girl, share the love. Okay. And I think this saves like 300, I believe. What is that? Yeah, 300. So it's expected to 2 is Bookish Mama Budgets. Says 35. Let's go up here. Oh, $1. How nice of you. Let's go down there. 6 for $7. So 5, 6, and 7. 11. 11 is Mystic Budget. Oh, that is this here. And let's go ahead and this is her carded and dice book here. And let's go here. Oh, we got a moon. Let's see what the moon tells us to do. Where's our instructions? So the moon, it says pull, let's get our cards. And it says pull 3 and stuff from large and stuff the largest and the smallest. Pull 3, subtract the small. Okay, so you can do either or, I believe. That's what it's telling us. So you can choose, I think. Okay. Let's pull 3 cards. So we got 1, 2, and 3. So what it says, you can add the largest and the smallest. So that's 13, 5, 10, 11, 12, 13. Right? Yeah. Okay. All right. Don't overthink it, T. Don't overthink it. So that is that one. Because you know how I am. I will overthink it. Let's go again. 7. 7 is the Humble Budgeter. These big ones want to get done. They like, girl, we ready for you to move on. And that is 3. Oh, last scratch for 3. And that is a 9. So, did I put that money back in here? Oh, no, I didn't. So, let's see. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. 3 is done. We finished 2. 4 is done. Okay, we still got a long way to go. 7 is done. Ooh, we haven't even touched 12. That's crazy. Okay. 3. 3 is Stuffing Budget. And that is $5. So $5. 2. 2 is Bookish Mama Budgets. And that is a 3. We're only going to scratch 1 since we already played this one. So let me see. 3, 4, 5. 5. Come on. Get us some new ones here. 10. Okay, baby. That's good. $10. I mean, not $10. Number envelope 10. Oh, and this one is Dreamy Budgets. And I think we are about done with this. We only got these 2 to do. So let's go ahead and do this one for 6. And let's go ahead and finish this one. And 3. So $9. So 9, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I feel like I really want to finish this one. Should I go ahead and do it? Who is this going to? Oh, this is going to Gem City. Whew, I'm so nervous. We'll wait. 7. Hold on. What is 7? The Humble Budgeter? Nah, we ain't gonna do that one again. Okay, I'm going to pick because We is getting to stuff we already did 101 times. So let's go to Beautiful Budgets code, because I feel like this one never gets any love. All right, let's roll 2 dice here. We got 4 and 1. Okay. 4 and 1, which is $9. 5, 6, I done got no change. Hold on. Ugh. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Take a 5 out. 1, let me see. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And let's take another 5. Okay. Hopefully that be good, because we're running out of ones. So what I was at 9, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. And we're going to do that one more time. 6 and 4. 6. Oh, no. We already did that one. So if we already rolled, we had to go over here on this side. And let's roll a D12. And we got 7. Okay, not too bad. So 7, 5, 6, and 7. Let's see. Can we put some of these ones back? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. All right. That's some cute. Okay, let's do this one. We haven't did this one. This one is budgeting for me. Let's go ahead and give her a scratch. That is a 2. All right. Like I said, because I'm ready for some fall challenges. So I need to get you guys. Do you guys got any fall challenges in your shop or on your website? Let me know down below so I can support. Should I do one more scratch on here? Yeah, let's do one more. Oh, glad I did. That's just $1. All right, let's go ahead and say this $1. Boom. And then let's go to who else we didn't do Lemon Ivy. And let's do this one. And let's go here. See, that's $2. And here for 4. So $6. 5 and 6. Okay, what we got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, $7. Oh, I want to do this one from Dreamy Budgets, but I'm scared. But that 10 kind of scared me. Let me see. Did we do everything else? I think we played. Oh no, we didn't play this one. Steps on a Budget. This is a new one. Oh, all I got is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Kind of scared. This says $55. Okay, this one is calling my name. Yes, $4. So that is 1, 2, 3, 4, and $3 left. Okay, I think we successfully played every single one. Oh, we didn't do this one. Budget with Carly. So and thank goodness this is like a roll and save. So we're going to put that $3 in here. This says 25 plus. And we're just going to put a 3 here. Look at that. We played every single one. Won't he do it? All right. And I won't hold you guys any longer. I'm going to put all these in here. So, yes. So, thank you, everyone, for the love and support. If you want to continue to follow me on this financial journey, please subscribe to the channel or share with a friend. And remember to stay magical. Bye, gems.